How to update WordPress from version 5.5.x to 5.6. Do you want to update WordPress but don't know where to start? Often beginners are afraid that an update may break their website. This fear is understandable. However, it's important to use the latest version of WordPress for the best security and performance of your website. In this beginner's guide, we will show you how to safely update WordPress like a pro without breaking your website. Please note, I will show you how to upgrade your WordPress with 3 methods: update from dashboard, upgrade using FTP, or cPanel account, so you can skip to the part you want. Let me show you how to upgrade your WordPress from dashboard. Let's open the browser. Write on the address bar the domain name /wp-admin. Log in with your admin username and password. You see, I have here installed WordPress 5.5.3. To update the WordPress, click on Please Update Now. Now, click on Update Now. The upgrade process is finished. Now you have updated the WordPress to the latest version. Now, let me reset the WordPress. I'm going to show you how to upgrade WordPress with FTP and cPanel account. Before we proceed with the upgrade, we will need the files. Let's open the browser. Write wordpress.org on the address bar. Click on Get WordPress. Scroll down and click on Download WordPress and the version name. The version will download. Usually, this file is saved in the Downloads folder. After the file is finished downloading, let's go where it is saved. I will click on the 3 dots near the file name. Click Show in Folder. Right-click on the file you just downloaded. On the menu, select Extract All. Click Extract and wait until the process is finished. I will fast forward. Now we can close all windows that are open. We will need first to make an FTP connection from our PC or laptop to the server. If you have not connected your computer to the server, please check the description of the video. I have explained every step and what is needed for the connection. In this tutorial, we will use an already created connection, so if you have not done this, pause the video and check the description of this video. A connection is required. Let's open WinSCP. Click on Login. Now, on the right part, open the folder public_HTML. On the left side, go where you have extracted the content of the WordPress file you just downloaded. Here, select all files and click on the Upload button. Click OK. If you get a warning about overwriting the files, click Allow All. Please wait until all files are transferred. I will fast forward this process. After the process is finished, open the browser again. Write on the address bar to domain name /wp-admin. You will get a notice about the upgrade of the database. Click Update WordPress Database. Click Continue. Now log into the dashboard. You see, now we have upgraded the WordPress to the latest version. But how can you upgrade WordPress with a cPanel account? We will close all windows and reset the install now. Open the browser. On the browser, enter into your cPanel account. You can do that by going to your domain name /cPanel. Log into your cPanel. Click on File Manager. Click on the button Folder from the top. Write a folder name. I will use New and click Create a new folder. Click on the folder you created. Click on the button Upload. Click on Select. Go where you saved the file you downloaded from WordPress and select the file and click Open. Now the file should upload. After it is finished, click on Go Back. Sometimes on the File Manager the file does not appear instantly. Click Reload a few times if the file is not there. When the file appears, click on the file. Now click the Extract button from the top. Click Extract Files. Open the new folder that has appeared. Click on the button Select All. Now click on Folder Copy. On the path, write the path of your WordPress install. Usually is public_HTML. After this, click on Copy Files. Now let's open a new tab. Write on the address bar to domain name /wp-admin. You will get a notice about the upgrade of the database. Click Update WordPress Database. Click Continue. Now log in to the dashboard. You see now we have updated the WordPress to the latest version. This is how you upgrade WordPress 5.6 with an FTP or cPanel account. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.